If you want to unlink your YouTube Music account from Facebook, follow these simple steps to ensure your accounts are separated. Step 1. Open YouTube Music. Launch the YouTube Music app on your device or visit the YouTube Music website on your browser. Step 2. Go to Settings. In the app, tap on your profile picture in the top right corner. If you are on the website, click on your profile icon and select Settings from the drop-down menu. Step 3. Access linked accounts. Scroll down to find the Link Accounts section. Here, you will see the accounts that are currently linked to your YouTube Music account. Step 4. Unlink Facebook. Find the Facebook account listed under Linked Accounts. Click on the option to unlink or disconnect it. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure the account is removed. Step 5. Verify unlinking. After unlinking, refresh the settings page to ensure that Facebook no longer appears in the Linked Accounts section. This confirms that your YouTube Music account is successfully unlinked from Facebook. By following these steps, you can easily unlink your YouTube Music account from Facebook. If you have any further questions, feel free to explore the help section on YouTube Music for more assistance.